Be part of the launching of the PFF RFA Youth League. Ang Youth League ni naga-cover ni siya og U13 and U11 boys and girls. This is the first program for that group age sa Philippines og mura na siya from August to December. Okay, at the same time, I am also here to inform the mayor na approve na ang artificial football pitch na application ng Surigao City sa Philippine Football Federation. And we are expecting na by September, October na natay groundbreaking. Okay, mauna siya ang update for from the Philippine Football Federation. Sama sa gingon ni Mayor, it's around 22 million, 35 million pesos. And locate ni siya, nagihan lang nako. I'm not familiar with Surigao City. This is my first time coming in Surigao City. Dugay pero somewhere dito sa area. Pasensya na, I'm not really familiar with it. Ang football manggo, dili lang siya to help the kids physically. Okay, it improves and develops their mental capability. Ang nami conduct na studies regarding itong programs na mo, for example, the Football Start at Home, it enhances the nerves, sa science siya, it enhances the nerves of the children. May improve sila ang mobility, ang for example, for sa mga gagmay na bata, mas paspas ang ilang development in terms of movement. Football is one of the greatest sports in the world. It's, I think, number one sports in the world. Imagine, kung nakakita mo World Cup, Bagora World Cup, the earnings mo abot na sa whole world. Muhatag silang subsidies, and especially kaning atong gidawat ninyo, part na sa subsidy na gikan sa FIFA. Expecting by September, October na groundbreaking. After groundbreaking, mga god, na panay mga business permit, building permits. Sorry, not business permit, building permits. Ingon na. Ang ingon nimo is katong RFA grassroots league or youth league. It's U11, under 11 years old and under 13. And also you're lucky because ako part ko sa PFF Executive Committee representing Mindanao, and napod mo isa nagalingkod sa board namo nagikan dire sa Surigao. Kung kailan mo kani akong amigo, my brother Sir Stephen Gugano is also a member of the Philippine Football Federation Executive Committee. And mind you, he's part of the person or one of the persons who approved the said application. Part siya sa Bids and Awards Committee ng Philippine Football Federation. Top 10, Mayor Paul, if my memory serves me right, last year, na we are giving away football pitches. And ni-confirm man si Mayor na he's interested. Maong by last year pa ata to, niadto among presidente diri si John Gutierrez to inform the mayor of that project. And actually, naay Surigao Dinagat Regional Football Association diri nakalupit sa inyo ha. And ang president namo diri si Sir Romnick Etchin, ang president sa Surigao Dinagat Regional Football Association. It has existing siguro since 2003 or earlier than Nanarway Football Association.